Now, post sales, or we can call it as after sales CRM, it is an extended relationship building or maintaining efforts once the customer has already purchased the product or services from the organization, right? The purpose of this is to extend a long-term relationship so as to retain a customer with repeated purchase, to get referrals, word of mouth, positive spread, so that no new customer base is being developed. That is the purpose of the post sales maintenance, that you should not forget the customer once you have sold. Sometime or whenever there is a regular interval, you decide and be connected to the customer. You ask about his general personal things on a personal line. I tell you one thing, whatever automated and the technology we are using in this customer relationship management tools, the personal connect is nothing to beat that. If I talk to you personally, you will also feel that this person is concerned and is actually serious about the business. So don't forget the personal connect at any point of time.